What is an API? Let's find out what is an API means. API, Application Programming Interface. An API allows two different software applications to communicate with each other. Suppose you are building an AI application in Python. Your Python application sends a request to the API. The API takes that request to appropriate server. The server processes it and send a response to the Python application. Think of an API like a waiter in a restaurant. You Python application, waiter API, kitchen server, order request, food response. You sitting at the restaurant, you want biryani. You don't walk into the kitchen and start cooking it yourself. You tell the waiter takes the order to the kitchen processes the food, the waiter brings the food for you. In the same way, your Python application does not directly communicate with the server's internal systems. It sends a request through the API, server processes it, and return a response.